Hi all, I am A. Divya, Assistant Professor of AIDS Department, Vellalar College of Engineering and Technology. Bubbleshot is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements if they are not in order. This sorting algorithm is comparison based algorithm. Example 514289. Compare 5 and 1. 5 is greater than 1, so we have to swap. Next we have to compare 5 and 4. 4 is lesser than 5, so we have to swap. Here then we compare 5 and 2. 2 is smaller than 5, we have to swap the elements. Next we have to compare 5 and 8. 5 is already in correct order, so we can't swap. Next we have to compare 8 and 9. 8 is smaller than 9, so we doesn't swap the element. Next we are going to see part 2. Compare 1 and 4. 1 is less than 4, so doesn't swap the element. Next we have to compare 2 and 4. 2 is less than 4, so we doesn't swap the element. Next we have to compare 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5, so we doesn't swap the element. Again we have to compare 5 and 8. 8 is greater than 5, so we doesn't swap the element. Part 3 we have to compare 1 and 2. 1 is less than 2. We doesn't perform swapping. Next we have to compare 2 and 4. 2 is already is in correct order. Next we have to compare 4 and 5. 4 is less than 5, so we doesn't swap the element. Next we have to perform part 4. We have to compare 1 and 2. 1 is less than 2, so we doesn't perform swapping operation. Next we have to compare 2 and 4. 2 is less than 4, so we doesn't perform swapping operation. Next we have to compare 5 and 8. 5 is less than 8, we doesn't perform swap. 8 next we have to compare 8 and 9. 8 is less than 9, so we doesn't perform swapping operation. Last one is past 5. We have to compare 1 and 2. 1 is less than 2, so we doesn't perform swapping operation. Finally we get a sorted order, that is 1 2 4 5 8 9. Next we are going to see about bubble sorting algorithm. For I equal to 0 to n minus 2, do this will be executed as outer loop. For j equal to 0 to n minus 2 minus I, do this will be executed as inner loop. If we a of j plus 1 is less than a of j, means we have to swap the elements. Bubbleshot is easy to understand and implement. It doesn't require any additional memory spaces. Bubbleshot has time complexity of order of n square. It is very slow for large datasets. Best case time complexity. The bubble sorting algorithm has a best case time complexity of order of n for the already sorted array. Average case time complexity. The average case time complexity for the bubble sort algorithm is order of n square, which happens when two or more elements are in jumble, that is, neither in the ascending order nor in the descending order. Worst case complexity. The worst case time complexity is also order of n square, which occurs when we sort the descending order of an array into the ascending order.